I'll be honest, I thought it was going to be easy. I thought it was going to be simple, because all you need to do is worry about going as fast as possible and doing everything as quickly as possible, and it couldn't have been any more difficult than I actually thought it was going to be. Torrey Browne. I race G-Force Racing Transmissions, Coyote Stock. I looked into Coyote Stock. G-Force Racing Transmissions G101A was allowed in the class 3 years ago, which was the deciding factor. We wanted the reliability of a decent transmission. We didn't want to be replacing transmissions every pass. Loved the fact that it was heads up. 135 is our top mile an hour. We're still hunting for a 9, but really that just comes down to clutch tuning. But the car has the potential. It's just the loose nut behind the wheel. The Gen 2 and the Gen 3 are two entirely different platforms. The Gen 3 recovers so much quicker off the line than the Gen 2. It makes significantly more power and is really exciting to drive. It really is. What a night and day difference between the two. The most exciting class in racing. If you look at past races, from first to last in qualifying order is only separated by a 1/10. What other class of racing can you see a spread of almost 16 cars only a 1/10 of a second apart, where reaction time, clutch setup, driver's skill, hitting every one of those shift lights, one small issue is something that you'll never recover, you'll never be able to win. Every single time we go up there, I am on cloud 9. The excitement is something it's undescribable what it actually feels like to be in a car like this. So I started drag racing about 20 years ago. It was a 1987 Ford Ranger, but shortly after I destroyed that, I had a 1988 Mustang GT. Never in a million years would I have thought that I'd be asked to drive someone else's car, a car built to such high quality standards that Mike Duffy would build. Especially with my friend Andy Johnson, not being here, asking me to drive his car, it's overwhelming. It really is. This would be tough to beat. I couldn't be any happier, and I hope I'm making him proud. And we're going to see what we can do.